So we're down to our last two ringers then. If you,
Stand up if you can.
if you want, do you want to do a dramatic reading or?
Dramatic reading of man. That's our mission.
Okay. You want to have a dramatic reading?
Do you want to be A or B or do you care?
Go
Okay, well, Giahech,
ahead. Gdzie Smorich?
it's Misha Podagin. Kentana Mata Ortsa.
Oh, it's Misha Tomas. Kan ons tattoo vorige?
Ta Megama, August Tufena Hamash.
Oh, Tommy go geen tag. Grommaget.
Tasha Chen, you Nachwil.
Ta, ach, Neil she green war.
Vishe Anskamalach and Ye freshen.
Wie kindje. Me en een Upshire maar show ik goni.
Ni Vien de Hana. And will to with the honey Sakantersha?
Neil, Tommy and Mahoney in Maston.
Ah, Ken Fog will to a San Diego.
Oh, Tommy dol gik banish. Tamachare posa.
Oh, August Caldwell and Wanish.
Bishi suas in El Mar. Tommy dol suas in shin nish.
And will she wet?
Neil grama. Tak jaar again.
And me to a Dasa Nacht Marshin.
Ní bhéimeise, tá sin is cíór.
Oh, Tobron Autumn. Ooh, Tasha Gaidi, Tasha Gaidi Jane Akanish.
Tá agus tá Jeffrór. Cá mé amach den isis? Slán?
Slam Lad.
Okay, so so you see, this is like 2 pages of really long conversation, but you have all this material.
You all do this.
Yes, you have all learned this. I'm not expecting you to have it off the top of your head by this point, but it's all there. So you can have a conversation of this length and or nature at this point in the class. So yeah, I know I've been cramming a lot of material into the classes, but you definitely do have a lot of material to work with. So like I said, this will be the last class for this semester, and then we'll meet, the classes will start up again in January, and we'll have a review of this sort of stuff again to remind you of all the stuff we went over. But see, you do have an awful lot of material to study in the meantime, so thank you all again for coming. Toshiv gohiantach, agus toshiv egari nisfar. Yeah, you're all getting better too. Karamahagiv, agus slán guji shin. Until next January, I guess, or until the class party next week. Or not next week, the week after next. No, unless there were any other questions. Okay. Okay, well, Gurama Hagivarish. I hope the conversation wasn't too brutal.